Have you ever considered that your ancestors may be part of a mystery that scientists are still trying to unravel today? During the so-called Dark Ages, a period of upheaval and change, Scandinavia became home to many mysterious migrations. This isn't just a story of local tribes and Vikings. Genetic research is uncovering clues that point to distant lands. Peoples from northern Germany, the Balkans, and even Asia crossed the continent in search of a new home. What pushed them to the northern ends of Europe? Was it climate change, wars, or the thirst for new opportunities? Scandinavia was not just an isolated place of cold winters and forests. It was a crossroads of cultures where newcomers made their mark. Can you imagine the encounters between these migrants and the locals? New technologies, traditions, and even genetic influences converged to create the basis of one of the most famous cultures in history, the Vikings. But what if this story goes much deeper? What if the migrations weren't just for survival, but part of a larger movement of civilizations that we don't even fully understand today? Did these ancient people create connections between Europe and Asia that have escaped us in the stories we know? Imagine people traveling vast distances, crossing rivers, forests, and mountains to start a new life. These migrations are not simply movements of people, but transfers of ideas, technologies, and even genes that have shaped modern Europe. Genetic evidence shows that Scandinavia was a kind of cultural bridge between different civilizations. But how have these influences changed the world? And maybe part of this history is written in our DNA. New technologies allow scientists to unravel mysteries that were invisible to our eyes. What other secrets about our origins will science reveal? And are we ready to accept the truth of who we are?